Hey John, let's take a look at this question, which I just wrote down. So what we're going to do first, BEDMAS, order of operations, let's deal with this exponent first. So that negative 1/2 is going to get applied to each of these three terms here, the coefficient and each variable. So that's going to be 49 to the minus 1/2. We have x squared. Now two negatives make a positive, and half of 2 is 1. So that's just 1, x to the 1 or just x. Well, I'll put the 1 in just for the sake of doing that. And now we're going to multiply these exponents. Negative times a positive, so we're going to get y to the negative, and half of 4 is 2. And over here we still have x, y to the half. And we're multiplying still. I haven't done anything with this yet. I just simplified this stuff. So far that's cool. Now, 49, there's no coefficient over here, but we'll deal with our x's, and then we'll deal with our y's. And then we'll flip stuff if need be. So we have 49 to the negative 1/2. I'll just leave that like that for now. X times x, remember this is a 1, 2. So we're going to multiply two exponents with the same base. We add the exponents, that gives us x squared. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now over here with our y's, we have negative 2 plus 1/2. So let me write that over here. We have negative 2 plus 1/2. And negative 2 is a fraction, has a denominator of 1. So before we add these fractions, I need to scale this fraction up so that it has a denominator of 2. And if I multiply both the top and the bottom by 2, I'm going to get negative 4 over 2. So now I can add these because we have a common denominator. Now when we add or subtract fractions, we leave the denominator alone. We don't mess with that at all. We just add the numerators. So negative 4 plus 1 is going to be negative 3. So it's y to the negative 3/2 right there. So at this point we're pretty much done. We'll just do some flip stuff. Remember this is like our fraction line right here. 49 is going to go down, and this y is going to go down. So we're going to have x squared over 49 to the 1/2, y to the 3/2. Remember when we flip a negative exponent down, it becomes positive. Let me just erase my marks here. I was playing around with this earlier. So now we can evaluate this guy right here. Let me get my highlighter out. 49 to the 1/2. I can rewrite him as the square root of 49. Okay, remember that's like our kind of fraction trick where the denominator is the index. You never write the 2 because it's so common, and it's raised to the power of 1. Again, which you never write because it's so common. So now x squared, the square root of 49 is 7. So we can evaluate that, and we're left with this. X squared over 7y to the 3/2 exponent. Okay, so that's the final answer there. I hope that was useful. Probably the trickiest part is kind of the fraction stuff that was going on here. All right, so let me know if that helps. Take care.